I want to clarify one other thing, which is about galleries. So, if you exist in the art world, what I want you to know is that your gallery, if you make art sales through a gallery, that gallery does not owe you a 1099 for the art sales. Okay. Now, why is this? What's important to know is that 1099s report payments made for service rendered to a business. Now, do you answer phones for that gallery? Do you do art installation for that gallery? Okay, fine. The gallery does owe you a 1099 in that case. But did they sell your art? That, my friend, that counts as merchandise. Your art in their gallery counts as the gallery's merchandise. There is an exception under the tax code. It's very clear, actually, in the 1099 instructions that you don't issue a 1099 for sales of merchandise. And that, my friends, is why a gallery does not owe you a 1099 for art sales. Now, here's the thing. A lot of galleries don't really know that, and they go ahead and they issue 1099s to all their artists. This is wrong, but you know what? It's actually no biggie because you, by law, have to be reporting that income no matter what. And so the only thing you have to do is you just report the income. And instead of reporting it as income that was not reported on a 1099, you're going to report it as income that was reported on a 1099. That is the only difference. Either way, you're on the hook for reporting that income. So it kind of makes no difference to you, which is why it's not really such a big deal.